to the mayor last night and really asked him, sino po ba ito si Ian Vallejo? Ano po ba si
Ian Vallejo is here?
Ian?
She's here, ma'am.
So you're babae po. Okay. I talked to Mayor, asked him about this. Duterte tells Catampo, talk to CPP on IP issue. No? Walang sinabi po sa akin si Mayor na ganyan. I was not able to talk to the Mayor. No? I was trying to call him, but at the time, wala ata siya. For me, if indeed there was that statement that Mayor said he would give a disclaimer, so mas maganda siya ang magbigay ng disclaimer, I think the Mayor would not say a very irresponsible statement like this. Because when I read this, I even cried. Galit na galit po ako talagang, how can you say all nomads there belong to the left? My God, you cannot say that statement. This is a sweeping statement. I cannot accept this. I even asked the NCAP, maybe we have to issue a statement or declaring whatever, kung totoo man ito. We have to declare NCAP office now, this is against, I mean, you're mocking our child. No? Sobra-sobra na po ang panglalait, pagdaog-daog. Kung inani ang statement, how can you say that? If ever indeed it is true, then you as a mayor or you as anong dapat gawin? You have to say, surrender na lang nato sila? I'm not even aware if there is a department or a bureau of CPP here in Davao or in the Philippines. This is a very irresponsible, statement. And I told the NCAP to declare issue, to issue statement to counteract this. Hindi na po namin papayagan ito. Palagi na lang po ginagamit ang mga tribo para lang sa sariling interest ng mga sektor. Tama na po, pati na po sa media, please. Maawa naman po kayo sa kanila. Wala po sila. Ako ay hindi ko na-care. No, kaya sa sarili ko eh. Sila po walang kakayahan. Please naman.
Okay, ma'am.